That's all.
Superb. So any salary negotiation happened in the HR, Supreet?
Sorry, can you repeat again?
Salary negotiation.
Yeah, salary negotiation has happened. Yeah.
Okay, so let us assume that HR counters me a salary. Okay, so what should be
Yes.
my strategy to counter back that statement, Supreet? Like just a tip to our viewers.
Uh,
Yep.
yeah. First we can check what is the market
Ah,
value which we have,
ah,
because I have two certifications.
hmm.
That itself cost a huge amount. It will not be available
Yep.
in outer of the accent
Correct.
of the company. You
Correct.
can't certified in out. It should be certification only through the company itself,
Okay. Yep.
to whichever the company it was tied up with.
Mm-hmm.
So according to that, and yeah, I was also holding multiple offers. So
Okay.
according to that, I did a negotiation with the
Negotiation.
HR.
All right. So
Mm.
you have like 3 to 4 years of experience, if I'm not wrong, Supreet.
Yeah, 3.3 plus. Yeah.
3.3. Okay. So what is
Mm.
the salary range for the 3 to 4 years of experience candidate in this market, Supreet? The rough estimation
In
range,
in my domain, it's around 9 to 12, 13.
9 to 12. And again, it depends on the
Yes.
way
Yeah.
you negotiate with the HR. Correct.
Yes. 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 Yeah.
Super. So any location discussion happened, Supreet? Allocation.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Location they have asked at the beginning itself.
Hmm.
I have choose Bangalore location.
Bangalore. Okay.
Yeah.
Chalo then. So what else we are missing, Supreet? What is the working mode? Is it hybrid? How is it?
Present it's some work hybrid weekly
Hmm.
twice.
Hmm.
Then according to project and manager, it
Okay.
depends. Whatever it takes.
All
Yeah.
right. Let's assume that my manager says that Akshay, you have to join to the Chennai location. Okay. In the initial
Yeah.
days, will company provide accommodation facility to an individual, Supreet?
Yeah, I think they'll provide, because when I went for onboarding, there are many people who got migrated from north and very far places. So they
Hmm.
have provided for 1 week of accommodations
Okay, 1 week.
as well.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cab facility will be given.
Yeah, they have mentioned cap facilities monthly, and it will be chargeable.
Oh, it will be chargeable, not free of cost.
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah. But it will be less comparatively market price.
Market price. Okay.
And according to career level, it will be
Hmm.
the prices.
Noted. All right. I guess we covered pretty much everything. When did you receive the final result, Supreet?
Um, I don't remember
Like how
much.
much time it like forget about the result. How much time it took to complete from the round one to the HR?
Around 1 week,
Oh, it went really
less
fast.
than 1 week. Yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
So everything
Back to
happened.
back, they have scheduled the calls
Uh,
in 1 day, 1 or 2 days gap, according to my calendar sheet. Yeah.
okay, super. So everything happened offline. Huh?
No, no, no. Online. Everything is
Everything
online.
was online. You didn't go to the office.
Yes. Yes. No, no, no.
Nice man. Chalo then.
Yeah.
So I guess we covered pretty much everything. And if you have any suggestion to the audience, you can suggest Supreet.
Yeah. If you're trying to switch a company in workday domain, yeah, just learn all those basics
Hmm.
and whatever you did
Hmm.
and all the topics. I think that's pretty much enough.
Chalo then. So do certification as Supit mentioned, and prepare your CV according to your knowledge. Don't prepare your CV to impress the panelist. Just prepare what you know. So that's one suggestion from my end, and that's it, right, Suprit? We covered pretty much everything.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
So yeah, yes. In the future, if I get any update from the Suprit, and I will be doing part two of this video. And meanwhile, we have started a small startup idea. So that website validates your startup idea by providing the